Welcome to YCAD Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. In earlier videos, we saw how to perform different operations on integers. Also, we saw about multiples and factors, prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Okay, now it's time to see various operations on fractions. Okay, what is fraction? Fraction is say any two numbers, one written one below the other, separated by horizontal line or diagonal line. So this is a fraction, and the first one, the number on the top, is called numerator. For example, say 3 by 10. Here 3 is called numerator, and 10 is called denominator. And here see, if you take 3 by 10, here denominator is bigger than the numerator. Okay, such fractions are called proper fraction. So proper fraction is a fraction in which denominator is bigger than the numerator. See, other examples are 7 by 12, 3 by 4, 12 by 40, and so on. Okay, so then so also there is something called improper fraction. So improper fraction is a fraction in which denominator is not greater than numerator. That means the denominator can be equal to the numerator, or it's less than the numerator. For example, say 12 by 5 or 7 by 3 or 5 by 5. See, 5 by 5 is 1. So this is also proper, because this is also an improper fraction. So even 20 by 4. So this is equal to 5. Okay, this is an improper fraction, because 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So these are all examples of improper fractions, and any improper fraction can be written as a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction meaning, okay, mixed fraction has one whole number part and a fractional part. Okay. See example 7 2 by 3. Okay. So this is an example of a mixed fraction. So any improper fraction can be converted to a mixed fraction. For example, let's take say 12 by 5. So 12 by 5. So when you divide 12 by 5, quotient is 2. So remainder also 2. So remainder, so we write as 2 by 5. It's the same denominator. Suppose 7 by, let's take this one 7 by 3. So here 2 times 6. So quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. So 7 by 3 as a mixed fraction it's 2. So remainder is 1. So 1 by 3. So 2 1 by 3. Hope it is clear. See this is how, see 7, divide 7 by 3. See 2 times 6, remainder 1. Okay. So remainder, the quotient becomes a whole number part. So this is a 2. So this is a, then this remainder is the numerator of the fractional part, and denominator same denominator. Similarly, any mixed fraction can be converted to an improper fraction. So how to convert 2 1 by 3 to an improper fraction? So for that, need to multiply these two whole number part on the denominator and add the numerator of the fraction. So this is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1, and with the same denominator. Denominator is 3. The denominator of the fractional part is 3. So denominator will remain the same. So we get 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 3. Okay, so to convert, okay, let's say 2 5 by 6. So this is equal to 2 into 6 plus 5. So that's numerator, and denominator is 6. So which is equal to, so 2 into 6 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 by 6. So for mixed fraction 2 5 by 6, when converted to improper fraction, becomes 17 by 6. Similarly, 17 by 6 when you convert to mixed fraction, so it will become 2 5 by 6. So this is how to make the conversion. Okay, and so let's talk about proper fractions now. Sorry, not proper fraction, like fractions. So like fractions are the fractions having the same denominator. For example, 3 by 7, 12 by 7, 18 by 7, 1 by 7. They are all. So we call these fractions like fractions, because for all these fractions the denominator is the same. So in this case 7. Okay, if the denominators of fraction different, or if not the same, if all the denominators of fraction are same, we call those fractions unlike fractions. So suppose here 3 by 7, 12 by 7. Suppose this is say instead of 18 by 7 we get 18 by 11 or something. Then so these three fractions, they are unlike fractions. And say 12 by 18. So this is also what fraction? This is a proper fraction because denominator is bigger than the numerator. Then this can be simplified further. This can be written as, if you divide each term or numerator and denominator by 2. So because 2 is a common factor for 12 and 18. So if you divide the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 6 by 9. Isn't it? So this can further be divided by 3 and it becomes 6 by 3 2, 9 by 3 is 3, 2 by 3. So if you look at it, all three fractions have the same value. So they are equal, isn't it? That means they have same value. So therefore these fractions are called equivalent fractions. Okay, so these are equivalent fractions because values are same but in no different form. And say 12 by 18 and so this is in simplest form 2 by 3 or in lowest terms. That means it cannot be reduced further. Okay, so 12 by 18. Okay, so when you are asked to reduce 12 by 18 in its lowest terms or in simplest form, then it becomes 2 by 3 because it cannot be reduced further. So how do we check whether it's in lowest form or not? So if it's in lowest form, the numerator and denominator will form a co-prime pair. So here 2 and 3. Okay, they are co-prime, isn't it? But 6 and 9 they are not co-prime because they have a common prime factor of 3. So therefore this is okay. So 6 by 9 is not in its lowest terms or it's not in its simplest form. Similarly 12 by 18 also, because both are divisible by 2 or 3. Okay. So if numerator and denominator of a fraction are not co-prime, then they can be reduced further. Okay, this is an important thing to remember. And any result of a result of any problem, any simplification or any evaluation, so result should be in simplest form. Suppose you get the result as say 24 by say 10, then it should be written as 12 by 5 because so both 12, 24 and 10 are divisible by 2. So so 24 by 10 and simplified it becomes 12 by 5, or as a mixed fraction it becomes 2 times 10, so remainder 2 by 5. Okay, so now we have seen different types of fractions, or I mean different terminologies involved in fraction. Now let's see how to add or subtract fractions. Okay, let's say we want to add the fractions 3 by 4 and 7 by 4. So suppose I want to add. See here, if you look at it, their denominators they will like fractions. So if the fractions are like fractions, it's very easy to add. You simply, so denominator becomes same denominator, common denominator is 4. Then you just have to add the numerators, simply add the numerators 3 plus 7. So which is equal to 10 by 4. So which is you simplify, it becomes, because both are divisible by 2, becomes 5 by 2. As a improper fraction. Of course this can be converted to mixed fraction. Okay, suppose they are not like fractions. Let's say 3 by 4 plus say 7 by 6 now. So obviously these two fractions are not like fractions. In that case, so you need to take the LCM of the denominator, that becomes a common denominator. So LCM of, so here denominators are 4 and 6. Of course here even in this first case, okay, denominators are 4, so LCM is again 4. Okay, but they are like fractions. By looking at it, you can easily, you just have to add the numerators and put the common denominator as 4. Okay, so in this case because they are like fraction, here your denominators are different, so you need to find the LCM of 4 and 6. So what's the LCM of 4 and 6? So if you find LCM, so you already seen in earlier videos, so LCM you will find, you will get LCM as 12. Okay, LCM is 12. Next, so you write this as a common denominator. The next step is, see how many, then divide this this LCM, that's 12, by the denominator of the first number, say 4. Now divide 12 by 4. What is that? We get 3, no? 12 divided by 4 is 3. So by that number you need to multiply the numerator. Similarly, second denominator of the second number 6. Divide 12 by 6, we get 2. So we multiply the numerator, corresponding numerator, by 2. Okay, then okay, write 3 into 3 9, 7 into 2 14. So now add them, 14 plus 9 23. So 23 by 12. So this is the answer. So of course you can take without LCM, without taking the LCM also you can add two fractions. So you can take common denominator as LCM in that case, or any multiple of LCM. So here suppose you multiply numerator this 4 into 6, so that's a see 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So we can even, so that will be easy way, you just multiply this one denominators 4 into 6, then this into this 3 into 6, then 4 into 7. Okay, so in that case we get 6 into 3 18 plus 4 into 7 28 by 6 into 4 into 6 24. So this way also we can do, but only thing is you will get bigger numbers, so you need to reduce them at the reduce the fraction at the end. So here 28 plus 18, so 46, so 46 by 24. Okay, now both are divisible by 2 because it's not in lowest terms. So 46 divided by 2 is 23 and 24 divided by 2 is 12. See, same result. Okay, so this way any two numbers can be added okay, without taking LCM. So actually in this case LCM is 12, but you get 4 into 6 24, which is a multiple of an LCM. That means 2 times the LCM. In fact, this is what we will do if the denominators are co-prime numbers. Okay, so what I mean is, let's say this is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Okay, not 5 by 6, 3 by 4, let's say plus 4 by 5. So here denominators are co-prime, 4 and 5 co-prime numbers. So here this is what we need to do. Okay, 4 into 5 and 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4. Okay, so this into this 4 into 5, that's the denominator. Then 3 into 5, so that's first part. Then 4 into 4, so that's the second part to be added of the denominator of the numerator. So now we get 3 into 5 15 plus 16 by 20, so which is 31 by 20. Okay, so we have seen how to add two fractions. The denominators are same, the denominators are different but not co-prime, and the denominators form a co-prime pair. Okay, so in all three cases, okay, we have seen how to add two fractions. Again, subtraction again same way. Only thing is when you subtract this, instead of plus you will use minus. That's all. So in this case, suppose it's 3 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Then this will become 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is what? 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So minus 4 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus 7 by 4 is equal to 3 minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 4. Minus 4 by 4 is minus 1. Okay, so this is how. Okay, same way here. Say 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So in the instead of, suppose it's 3 by 4 minus 7 by 6. then it becomes minus here. 18, you will get 18 minus 28. Okay, so 18 minus 28 is what? Minus 10. So minus 10 by 24, you simplify, you will get minus 5 by 12. So this is about subtraction. So that means how to subtract one fraction from another fraction. Okay, next video we will see more on fractions. Hope you have understood so far. Thank you.